Welcome to the CoPOS Putting a Sale on Hold video. We will use non-member sales throughout this video, so let's press Enter to get to the Items section. We'll type Apple and select a variety and enter a quantity of 1. Now, press the F4 key for Other. We'll arrow over to the Hold tab, press Enter. Hold this sale for a later time, yes. Sale held. We can now enter another sale or do other things in CoPOS, and when we come back, we will be able to retrieve this sale using .s. So let's escape out of the register and come back in. We're in the member field. Let's type .s, and we are ready to resume the saved sale. We'll go ahead and pay for our apples. Pays remainder. Accept. Yes. No receipt. Quit. CoPOS ships being able to hold only one sale, but using option 9.1, Store Settings, you can store multiple held sales. So let's go back to the main menu and type 9.1 to enter Store Settings. First, we will select Save and Continue, arrow down to 10 for more, and select 5, Hold Recall Sale Method. Here we can select No Limit on Number of Held Sales, confirm with Yes, and we'll get out of here by pressing Enter, Back, Q for Quit, and Enter to get to the main menu. Let's go into the register again and start ringing up a banana, any banana. Quantity 2, and press the F4 key. Hold. Yes to place the sale on hold. Now we're back at the member field. We'll enter another sale, buying carrots, any carrots. Enter a quantity of 3. We'll press the F4 key again. Hold. Yes. Enter. We now have 2 sales on hold. We're back at the member field. Let's enter .s. A box appears with the 2 sales we placed on hold today. We can now use the arrow keys to select a sale. Instead, we'll select Back, Enter, Escape, Enter, and get back to the main menu. Let's say we want to clear the held sales from today. The option for clearing held sales is 10.15.6. But if that's hard to remember, just type clear at the main menu, and a list of options whose names or keywords containing clear appear. We'll go ahead and select 10.15.6. Today's date is pre-filled, since you can only recall held sales from today. You could select a register or cashier, but we'll just enter through to generate a list of all the held sales from today. View held sales, enter. Now we select Specify Clear Status to go up into the list. Let's press the F10 key to bring up a box of help. Enter Y to indicate that this held sale is to be cleared, otherwise enter N. Follow your entry with star. Apply to all. Example, Y star. It looks like we can clear the whole list by typing Y star. So let's escape out of the help box and do that. Y star. Now all the held sales have Ys for yes. Let's press Escape and finalize the process by arrowing over to Clear and pressing Enter. OK to clear, yes, and now our held sales are gone. OK, we'll quit out of here, Enter, Escape, Enter, Enter, and head back to the main menu and discuss blocking held sales. If we go to option 9, then 2, Edit System Constants, All System Constants, page down to number 262, Block Placing Sales on Hold. Okay, let's change System Constant 262 to Y to block placing sales on hold. Escape, yes, Enter, Enter to get back to the main menu. You will no longer be able to hold sales. Thank you for watching the CoPOS Putting a Sale on Hold video.